red cards are terrorists, face cards are the detectives, and then black cards are just innocents. Hello, Akbar! Andy's the terrorist, he has an AK! It's okay, I'm not aiming at you, I'm covering you. Okay? Oh, that was Andy?
No.
Oh, sorry.
Gary.
You gotta yell it.
I said, hey, hey.
I didn't even hear you. Your cod saw.
I'm feeling your spot, Nick.
Okay. I'm dead. I thought it was Andy because he wanted to spawn over there. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola.
Where's-
No.
Wasn't the game already on?
Yeah, but I had the time to.
Oh, okay. Oh, we got some hikers coming. Austria, yeah.
Yeah. I love HK guns though.
Yeah. Heckler and Koch.
Yeah, Heckler and Koch. Koch.
Koch.
Mike Day.
Go to your local department store and ask for the big black Koch.
America.
Andy shot at me, he's the terrorist. No, I'm just kidding. Nothing. I said Andy shot at me, he's the terrorist. I'm just kidding. I don't know. I think Jared's the traitor again. Oh, sorry, I was on auto. You got me though. No, I was the terrorist. Oh, wait, there's two.
Hell.
Yeah. Chills.
Suppress the fire.
I was hesitating to shoot at you because I didn't want to hit them on
I
accident.
didn't even know where they were.
All right. Got me in the knuckle.
My bad.
No sweat.
This gun didn't. Oh,
You were in the house the whole time. I was just like watching the windows, like.
I saw a shadow down there by that tree. I was like, oh, I see a shadow.
Shot me in the rib.
Just sitting in fire for a shot, so I'm fucking.
You're just
I was sitting here like this. Look at. That's how I was.
like, you're like, gun here, gun here.
I was waiting. Someone was
Gun hurts.
done. Somebody was pop this window. Hit.
And then I just come up here and I see you poke out, like, oh god.
I was like, oh, fucking. All I hear is footsteps down on the side of the rocks. I'm like, yes. It's down on the side.
I've never had an engagement that close before. That was awesome.
You haven't?
No.
Fucking poked your head up right here, dude. My gun was up like this. Look.
Dude, I was like, I saw this shine in your glasses. I was just like, da da da.
Dude, I had my gun like this.
Yeah, I saw. And then it was just like.
That's how I aimed out the window first time too, because I was trying to reload my pistol, so that's why
Oh.
I was here. And the first time I came out by the window, I had my gun like this. I'm all to check and see if there was anybody up there, and then I came back and I sat right here holding this gun like this, and I popped the mag out of here. I was holding this gun like that, facing that wall, and then I was like, okay, I don't think he's coming up this way. So I set this gun down, and this was still holstered, so I was like. And I was one-handed the whole time. I pulled this mag out. I was like, okay.
Were you a bystander?
I don't fucking remember.
Oh.
I was the detective.
I was a terrorist.
Not the queen.
Hey, we still won.
Fuck you, double terrorists.